In this video, we're gonna be going over the 3-scarf cascade, which is what I'm doing right now. Wah! Hello, my name is Peter. I'm the emotional support clown here on YouTube. This channel is all about circus content. So if you like circus, if you want to learn circus, watch tutorials, watch reviews of different props, consider subscribing because I put a lot of effort into making these. So yeah, thank you. Before we get into 3-scarf juggling, we want to talk a little bit about the throws that we're going to be doing and the catches. We want to hold the middle of the scarf, not the edges. This would be the edge. This is the middle. We're going to hold the middle of the scarf and we're actually gonna wave it up and down. That's how we're gonna throw. And when we catch, we're gonna be catching with our palms face down. Now, scarves juggle much slower in the air than balls due to air resistance. Basically, the scarves have a harder time pushing air out of the way, giving you more time to think about the pattern. When we're first trying to learn this pattern, we're gonna have 2 scarves. We're gonna throw across our body in an X, and we're gonna do it in the timing, throw, throw, catch, catch. Throw, throw, catch, catch. 1, 2, 3, 4. SpongeBob SquarePants. Pete is the best. If we're having a lot of success with 2 in the X pattern, we're ready to pick up the 3rd scarf. But before we do that, we have to go over how to hold 2 in one hand. The way we're gonna do that is we're gonna take our pinky and our ring finger and squish one of those scarves. With our remaining fingers, we're gonna grab the other scarf. That way we can let go of one and hold on to the other. So we're always gonna start with the hand that has 2, and we're gonna throw in an X. When the 2nd scarf reaches its peak, that's when we throw the 3rd scarf. 1, 2, it reaches that peak, I'm gonna throw the 3rd scarf. From there, we're just gonna keep the pattern going. When those scarves hit their peaks, that's when you have time to throw the next scarf. Hits the peak, hits the peak, hits the peak. One additional thing to keep in mind is you always wanna throw underneath the scarf instead of over the scarf. Over the scarf is a reverse cascade, which we'll get into in the next video. So yeah, that's it. That's 3-scarf juggling. I hope you learned something. And if you did, leave me a comment in the comment section and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.